tighter. Oh, right, shall I do an intro? You got this is the first time you got to listen to the YouTube bollocks that goes with it.
I listened to some when you was at mine, but I've never listened to the intro.
Yeah,
Listen to the outro.
You get used to it. It's just like,
Yeah.
hi, good morning. Oh no, wait. By the time you're watching it, it'll be afternoon.
You've got that. You've got that nailed. Right. Anyway, Joe, do you want to do the intro for me?
Yeah, go on then.
Go on,
Good morning, everyone. Oh, sorry. By the time you're watching it, it'll be afternoon.
Evening.
Evening. Sorry, evening. Probably about 6 o'clock on a Sunday if you're if you like the notifications and chase what Sam's doing.
You're better than me at this.
Well, it's not that hard, is it? That's why you've only got 10k subs.
Haven't even got that yet. We're in Bulldog Services, and we're going to do a run to Finchingfield because it's quite a nice day, even though a massive cloud is up there.
Alan's here.
Oh, hello. What's Alan doing here? Free Allen key. Mike, do you want an Allen key? I've got 3 million of them.
Drop it in my box.
There we go. So we've obviously got Joe, Flaccid Joe.
Flaccid?
Yeah, it's your new nickname, Flaccid Joe.
Oh, okay, Flaccid Joe.
Probably, anyway. We've also got Mike. Mike on his very, very sparkly... Oh, mate, the sun has just come out as I just said that. Very, very shiny Triumph 955 Ice. This is Mike's... How many outings have you had so far?
Probably 5, if that.
5 outings.
Since I passed my test.
So we're gonna try and ride like not arseholes for you. There might be a lot of group connection last. Right, let's get going.
Kate's booty camp.
Oh, hello, Kate. Kate's boot camp. Welcome, guys. We're gonna do legs, bums, and tums.
To be fair, that wouldn't be a bad idea for me.
What, legs, bums, and tums? You do need to. Mike's going to get really bored and just peel off halfway through because he's really bored of us just chatting utter bollocks. And then as we go through the petrol station, we do the obligatory revs. Knob head. Sorry, everyone. Sorry. Finchingfield, for everyone watching, is in Essex, Braintree, Essex. And it's like quite a nice area that you can go and get some, well, cakes and stuff. That thing does look really cool.
What's that?
Your bike.
Oh, right, okay. I thought
It
there
is
was
a
something
really
behind me.
good blue, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a really nice blue.
Yeah. The guy did do a really good job on it, I've got to say.
I'm really glad you went for blue instead of black. I think it just...
Everyone goes for black, don't they?
Yeah. But like against the silver and the chrome of the exhaust and everything, it just looks really nice. If you're not a regular viewer of the channel, I will put on screen what Mike's bike used to look like when he bought it compared to what it does look like now. It's like a different thing. It's a completely different bike.
And it wasn't actually that long of a process, was it? How long did it take you?
I think it took about 2 months.
Oh, that sounded good. Bike into rally mode. Sport suspension.
Yeah, I thought I'd take it easy anyway because there's a nice long straight round the top of this corner, so
There'll be like 3 caravans coming the other way as well.
I'll go through them all. I've got Outback high-tech crash bars, so. Also, these Paranoid X jeans.
Yeah.
Phenomenal.
Told ya. To everyone watching, Joe's a convert for RoadSkin. I got him to buy a load of RoadSkin jeans the other day, so he bought Taranis and the Paranoid X. Oh no. Oh no. And I'm stuck behind the caravan. Pop, 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 pop. There's nothing coming, so if you want to get past, you can, but obviously be careful.
Group connection lost.
I've got new brake pads at home and I really need to fit them. you doing? Are you going to take my handbrake off? Oh no, wait, I've got a normal proper person bike.
This one's a nice piece of road as well. Some of the corners are tight than you think, but just enjoy it.
Jesus!
Your brake light just completely flashing its life out of it then.
Woo!
A lovely bit of road that. Shame about the gravel in the middle of it.
My favourite. It's actually mad. I was just thinking about it. Mike on that bike is probably way faster than I ever was on my Tracer, but we're obviously you just don't realise.
Twats.
Yeah, you just don't realise how stupidly fast these things are.
Yeah. Even like I know we take the piss about how slow the Africa Twin is.
Yeah, it's really slow.
It's not.
Fair.
It's not actually slow. It's just slow in comparison to your 1290.
Yeah, but also I suppose if you put a good rider on it, it'd be even faster.
Yeah. Dickhead.
Oh, it's not a national yet.
I think this road is filled with like touches of nationals with 30s and 40s all separating them.
Just imagine a Teapot One video on this bit of road. National R! National R! National R!
I've got a feeling this is going to need a lot of editing.
Yeah, most of my videos
honestly,
do.
most of the videos.
When we did that pork pie video, I actually had to take it down because there was like we were speeding on the monkeys.
Really?
Yeah.
That's the weird thing about the monkeys, because I just assume I can't speed on it.
Yeah, it's just full throttle everywhere. Mike, there's one bit when you're coming down into Finchingfield. That road there is so good. Obviously I wouldn't do this, but it's easily like 120 mile an hour road. Apart from like one or two corners, it is so fast. And it's really nice.
As you say, obviously you wouldn't do that.
No, I mean I'd be reckless to use anything more than 60 mile an hour on that road because it is a 60.
Absolutely.
Jesus! Oh, what a lovely, lovely day. It's bloody windy though, isn't it? Really windy. Oh, someone's having a bonfire.
I mean, you are riding a KTM, it could be on fire. Oh, no, wait, that's a BMW GS 1300.
Yeah. Oh no, my starter motor's caught fire. Oh wait, no, I'm not on a 1300. Look it up. It's a new bike, so it's gonna have problems. But it's just funny because everyone says KTM's the most unreliable bikes in the world and no other bike has problems. So that's why I have to make a point of saying it.
Well, what I do, yes, it's they fell away from me.
God, this sounds good when you're dropping through the gears. Honestly, Mike, you said you were going to be slow, yet every time I've looked behind, you're basically there.
It's still there.
Yeah. Maybe that says more about my riding than it does about anything else.
I think it's more like when I come to a sharp bend, I'd rather take it like ridiculously slow than just a tiny bit too fast.
Yeah, just ride it as fast as you want to, like there's no pressure. Because I think the only times that I've ever properly messed up, besides crashing, was when I've been trying to ride, trying to keep up with someone else that's better than me.
I've got my sat nav on, so I know where I'm going roughly, and I know that you two ain't, you're not going to be a million miles away. So
I think this Hero 9 has died, by the way. I think the vibrations have finally succumbed to it.
Usually about now I'd be serenading you two with a load of songs, but I can't because I know that it's going on YouTube.
Yes, please. If I had my Super Duke now, I'd have it in whole shot mode with launch control on. Just imagine sitting here like this.
And then it goes green, and you like launch off to 30 mile an hour because that's the legal limit, and then just stop.
Yeah, because I'd never go faster than that.
There's a bump at the bottom of that bridge.
What'd you say?
There's a bump at the bottom of that bridge.
Oh, I thought you said I'm just above average. Didn't even mean that one.
She was so happy. Oh, first bug of the season.
That for me then was throwing itself all over the place and it's wobbling and all sorts of shit. And I sort of think that the Super Duke the other day still felt miles faster than this.
The 1390 is a dick swinger. That's what it is. I've got a 1390 and I'm not dead yet. That's what that bike is. The 990 is I really enjoy riding and I can throw it round and it's good fun.
Yeah, that's a given.
Oh, that
It's
sounds
really-
so good through your comms.
I think we might have left Mike for dust a bit.
I'm not surprised on that section there. I did look down and I was definitely doing 60 mile an hour on it.
I was hitting at least double figures then.
I was a bit worried about all of that gravel on the road, so I just took it easy.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
Now, I've never seen that video of Sam crash from a bit of gravel, so
Yeah.
Oh, who would do that?
it really hasn't made me paranoid whatsoever.
I know when you're riding fast because I can just see your hazards go off in every corner.
Yeah, it is the one annoying thing about this bike.
Apart from it's got no power, it weighs 3 tons and everything. That's the one annoying thing. Oh, what a weekend jaunt, boys! What a phenomenal bit of road, mate. What is this? The B1051. Heading over to Braintree in Essex.
Oh, God.
Tight corner, tight corner. That one tightens as well. Car. Well, there you go, everyone. That camera's died. Is this camera still going? Looks like it's still going. We're coming down into Finchingfield. Oh, look at all the bikes. Yeah, lots of bikes. And done. Lovely.
That's a nice road though, that was.
Yeah, lovely roads like sweeping through, and then you have to. There's a few towns and whatever, but the road. And normally in the summer, if you're not riding like a colossal twat, the police don't care. Right, everyone, we're gonna go and get some coffee and a cake. Thank you very much for joining us. Joe, say bye.
Bye.
There you go. Mike, say bye.
Goodbye.
Thanks for joining us, and I'll see you in next week's video. Bye.